Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids cards name red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first read of 1 and use red color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4. Kids again use red color and draw 5 F I V E 5. Kids now to 6 and use blue color, the shape, the numbers of 6 and use blue color S I X 6 7 S E V E and 7. It's again use blue color and draw 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9. Kids again use blue color and draw 10 T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now to 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. Kids again use black color and draw 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last letter 20 and again use black color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.